Getting to Fort Santiago Intramuros Manila, an episode of series, Guide to Fort Santiago Intramuros Manila. Mike Aquino. Fort Santiago's fearsome reputation hasn't stopped Filipinos from using it as a shrine to the country's history and culture. Tour guides like Carlos Celdran, pictured above, include Fort Santiago in their itineraries. Find out about taking your own walking tour of the walled city. Fort Santiago is an 8-minute walk away from Manila Cathedral. Travelers must cross Soriano Avenue, pursuing General Luna Street to its northernmost end where it intersects with Santa Clara Street. The entrance to Fort Santiago can be found here. Location on Google Maps. Visitors must pay PHP 100, about $2.10, to enter. Fort Santiago is open on all days of the week, from Tuesdays to Sundays. Guests can enter from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with a 1-hour break at 12 noon. On Mondays, the fort is only open from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.